The most difficult thing in this world is to be yourself. Why is this difficult? Because we have this attitude of copying people, mimicking people. And that is completely valid and legit because we survive or accept our behavior definitely through or from others. The moment you are born and you are living a life in your family, you observe your parents, father, mother, and you actually mimic the way they act, and that's how our behavior is developed. But the fact is, in our routine day-to-day life after we become an adult, we usually try to please others through the act that would be making others happy. And this is where we go wrong. We go wrong exactly because we are not trying to be ourselves. And every person love to see the other human being in the most natural form they can be. See, you don't want to be with a person who speaks like Amitabh Bachchan. You want to be with Amitabh Bachchan. You don't want a duplicate person to be with you, right? And even if the person enacts someone, it will be fun if he does for 5 to 10 minutes or for a gig that he has prepared. Not after that. Because after that, things may sound really boring. You may think, why is this person acting like the other person? Or you may still think, or you may think that there is some problem with this guy because he doesn't seem to be normal. He seems to be fake. The moment you start becoming yourself is the time when you discover yourself. And people may not like the exact core, how you are. Well, that is their problem. What you need to be taking care is, you need to understand whether your being yourself is towards the good side of you or the bad side of you. Because there can be instances where you may do something wrong and very validly accept it as your own wish or will, or this is my rule, my life, etc. You know that my life, my rules attitude? That is good if you are doing something right. If you yourself are doing something wrong, then probably that is the biggest foolishness any person can do, having an attitude of my life and my rules. Because that person cannot be improved then. It is told, if you don't teach yourself a lesson, then life will teach you a lesson. Probably if those people who tend to do something wrong and call their activity right will learn from their life. And the moment they learn from their life, they really understand where they went wrong. But if you are doing something right, do it. Because if you are doing it right, you are actually living or being yourself. Then people may not like you. That is their problem. You don't care whether they like you or not. Because if you start caring, you will lose your own identity. You will start believing, or you will start thinking that I need to please them. And there are so many people around in this world, right? There are like 7 billion, 8 billion people. If you need to please every person, you need to have that many personalities inside you. And that is not actually possible. So be you, that one who is unique among these 7 billion people. You don't have to show off those qualities which are not actually yours but are borrowed, stole, or taken from some person around you. Your talking style, your walking style, your dress, your hair needs to be defining you. It should be defining the person inside you and not the people outside. Be yourself. It really doesn't matter who likes you or who doesn't like you. and it really doesn't matter you care for them or not.